So now we've come to the end of the concepts that I really wanted to get to you and draw out of the book that we read. So we talked a lot about constructivist theory. We talked a lot about problem solving and how the two parallel each other. And the last thing that the book talks about is this concept of transfer, which is really just how does information and problem solving go from one area of a person's mind to another area of a person's mind, and how do they begin to start to apply them to various different aspects of their life. And so the big conception that the author wanted to get is the difference between low road and high road transfer. Low road transfer is where it's pretty easy to see the parallels between the two. So let's imagine that you're in an algebra class and you're learning how to balance equations. Then you walk down the hallway and moments later you're in your chemistry class and you're learning how to balance the equations of different elements in a chemical reaction. Right? You swap numbers with elements, but you're still doing essentially the same thing. And so you're taking the same kind of ideas, the same problem solving, the same concepts, and moving them directly to a related field. The high road transfer, that's a lot more complex. It takes a lot more time. That's what I was trying to do today in walking you through and showing these parallels of the pedagogy that we're talking about and the experiences of the scientific revolution. So where they're not really related at all. Instead, it's taking a huge step back, getting these gigantic conceptions of what we think learning are, humanity, the progress of the world, where we are in kind of our understanding of our world, a theory of mind. All of those things had to be in place before any of these kinds of parallels could work. It made sense to me as I was conceiving of it. I'm really curious how it's going to be for you guys. And indeed, that's going to be one of our expectations on Monday night. One of the things I'm going to ask you is, did I do an effective job? Did I draw those connections to help you see and transfer material and ideas from one place to another place? Did it all make sense and fit to you in the puzzle that I was trying to achieve for you? So I look forward to asking you about that. I look forward to hearing your critiques and whether you felt like this was an effective means of building on prior knowledge, scaffolding, and getting to a new place. I'll see you then.